Yeah. All right, everybody. This live stream, it's edutainment, entertainment, education, smashed into one. Not financial advice. You gotta do your own research. This is just one way of looking at investing. All right. With that said, we just gotta roll through this today. All right, everybody. I want to get back to the markets. I feel like we're gonna have a move in the next little bit. So, someone's coming in here. She wants to say hi. All right, we're gonna get to it. All right, we're gonna skip this. What up, social media world?
Hello, my name's Callie Lou, Alfred Gordon Lou, and this is 8 at 8 and 8 in touch right now.
Did you just pick that out? Oh man. All right, today we're looking at Costco. It is ticker symbol COST. It is part of the S&P 500 and specifically part of consumer staples, aka all the good stuff that we go to the stores for. So, with that said, if you're an investor, you got to come to the investor relations page. You look at their stock. Their stock is a behemoth of a stock. It is still holding at 544. It's been a while since the stock split, and it's having rumors of doing so again because it is one of those behemoths that are up there. All right. So you didn't come here for that. You came here for the charts. Let's take a look at the charts. So we had a high of 612. It dipped down to all the way down to 400. Now it's all the way back up to 5 something. Whoo-wee. And there's something wiggling in my head. So if you were an investor, good on you for holding on to this. If you bought the dip, kept on buying the dip, you've made a nice little rebound in the last 3 months since we're looking at a monthly chart right now. But what are the opportunities? And now you can see this is a very narrow candle compared to the other two. That means you're getting a lot of chop back and forth with price action. It is making up its mind which way it's going to go. Is it going more upside or is it going to the downside? Probability it would be going to the downside, but man, it has been ripping my face off. So let's take a look at a daily. Let's get more into it as well. So this is a daily chart. We're checking volatility here, and we're zooming in. As you can see, it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. When was our last? The lowest that has been, it's been holding this middle line, right? And then bouncing back up to the outside. As you can see, the power is weakening, right? It's had a big run, and it's just weakening. Hopefully, it's going to have another push up soon. It's having a little push up on Friday, and it's doing so again. So, I don't know. I am kind of skeptical that it is going to go even higher. I think it's weakening. As you can see, there's a strong ceiling right here. I'm just going to call it right there, 561. So I think you could hit that ceiling again. There's another ceiling here that it's trying to hit right here. It is 545. 545 and 565. So, yeah, 20 cent zone where it is going to face a lot of resistance before it tries to pierce back up to get to 620. So we're in that resistance right now. It's going to gather strength and consolidate before busting up or busting down. So no one knows where it's going to go. It is literally in the middle right here. I would say there's a statistical chance more so of it going down. Even though where are all my red circles here? Okay, we got a green one. As you can see, the strength is getting up to that 70 where it's going to be oversold. And you can see here the momentum is fading down. You can see the red circle. So let's see if I can zoom in here. Come on, baby. There you go. So I'm going to move this here. You can see the strength is getting too close to that 70 where it's going to be over. And then you can see it's crossed over into the negatory where sellers have control and momentum is dying down. So not so much more upside momentum that we've seen all this green. Now we've turned into the red, right? And we'll see if these bright red candles in the histogram continue to pull it down further, which my bet is that it is going to the downside as it's overbought It's crossed over to the downside, and we're hitting some good resistance up top. So let's see what can move the market. So we're going to go take a look at earnings. They had their earnings in May of this year. The next time they usually report is in September. So we're looking at the end of September in a month or so when they're going to report, and we'll get to see some movement. But for today, 60 earnings, 17 stock splits, 46 economic events. What economic events in the States or Canada is going to shake this thing? Wholesale trade, manufacturing. The Fed is coming out with some, New York Fed is coming out with some numbers for manufacturing. And then soybeans and overall net capital flow. So not a lot coming through, some after hours in the markets. And in the news, where is my... We didn't even do the 8 at 8 countdown. Oh, well. We're checking out news. Some people say, oh, man, these ads are getting us, huh? A lot of people say the retail is in trouble. Some people are saying this stock could split, and is it worth paying up for? So let's take a look intraday. Since our 8 at 8 is gone, I don't know what happened to it. I apologize. But, you know what? We're just going to roll through here. We're going to take Fibonacci, the lows and the highs. There you go. We are smack dab kind of in the middle of these Fibonacci's. And right now we're bouncing off the 38 line. Probably going to test up to 445, like I say, where we start that resistance. So it's gathering strength right now. It is definitely moving to the upside. I think you could treat this as a strong floor at 50 or 540 as a strong floor as it tries to test this 545, 565. But it's going to gather that strength before busting up. So with that said, I think we're just going to roll the outro, everybody. You're looking at this $10 spread, I think, from here to here. Actually, that's a $5 spread right now. From, let's just say, 40 to 45, bouncing around before breaking out in either direction. All right, everybody. With that said, that is my analysis for today. This face is coming in here. Boom. We're rolling out here. Costco. What's with your nose, man? What's with your nose? Summer's come to an end. You didn't show people your medal? You want to go get your medal?
Yeah.
This girl has been doing summer reading camp. She's been doing a really good job with her reading. She finished, I think, 8 weeks of reading, almost a book a day on average. And here she comes back with her medal from the Vancouver Public Library. A little too close. Yeah, you gotta bring it back right here. That's where it is. There you go.
Hey, where's my
Your Pokemon is right here. All right. So,
It's in my middle. I'll tell you what it says because it's a little hard to see. It says Summer Reading Club 2022. All together now. British Columbia Library
Association. There you go. QPBC.
QPBC.
Awesome, everybody. Who's the champion? Woohoo! All right, everybody. We're going to roll out of here as well. She's going to show a little more. That's a beautiful unibrow. All right. I think we're almost done here for the day. Guys, go back to work, make some money.
Three, two, one, peace out.